Hello, bad guys. Lucifer 2.0.
You're back. Great.
Could you go home without me?
I'm not Lucifer. I'm Michael. Welcome home. How do you like the mess I made?
The bees, they're my doctors because they're giving me the medicine.
People are wanting to take control of the health. They're doing their own research.
Fasting is one of the most popular diets right now.
There's too much at risk. I know this much too personally.
I feel like my story needs to be told.
The word has gotten out that there is something out there that's working.
It's something that we do not understand completely.
We are swimming in the unknown waters. Don't know what's out there, might be sharks.
Alicia.
Can I see the warrant?
I'm not obligated to show it to anybody. I have a warrant, trust me. I'm not in here without it.
He knows that he's done. There's no judge for him.
This is not gonna be easy.
I'm a dad. Nobody wants to see children hurt.
My dad, he had a work permit, a license.
I mean, for God's sake, this guy's even paying taxes.
Creo que el sueño americano a veces más que todo es una pesadilla.
You're talking about the treatment of tens of thousands of people.
What type of operation is this? You can't tell me?
This isn't a one-off. This is the new normal.
It'll end up everywhere.
Your presence is here.
No.
Am I a monster?
You can't help everyone, but you have to choose.
This is how you survive.
Are you ready?
This is between Rasmus and me.
Simona!